Sugar Plums, it's Talia. Welcome back to another Trendy Talidays video. I just love getting dolled up for the holidays. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this sparkly holiday party glam. Before we get started, I do want to share with you all a new product that I have been loving. If you like how I did my brows for this look, I used a product called a My Brow Pen that works amazing. You'll see how easy it is to fill in your brows with this product, and it gives you such a natural look. If you're interested in a My Brow Pen for yourself or to give as a gift this holiday season, use my discount code Trendy_Talia for $10 off of your My Brow Pen order. I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description bar. Also, if you like the music that you hear in today's video, that would be my dad, Tommy DECARLO, singing his Christmas original, I Can't Wait Till Christmas Day. Also, his cover of This Christmas. These are such sweet, fun, and upbeat Christmas songs that you can find on Spotify, YouTube, as well as iTunes, and I will try to link everything down below for you guys. My dad and younger brother Tommy Jr. have an album coming out January 24th called Lightning Strikes Twice with their band DECARLO, so be on the lookout for that. They worked so hard on this album, and there's a lot of great rockin' tunes that I can't wait for you guys to hear. Alrighty, who's excited to see this makeup tutorial? I hope you all enjoy it. If you are new here today and would like to see more trendy videos from me, then be sure to click that subscribe button. Now let's dash away into this makeup tutorial.
It's almost Christmas and I'm gonna spend it with you. We're gonna celebrate the whole day through, 'cause you are my everything. The Christmas carol I wanna sing. You are my special gift under the tree that I just can't wait to see, 'cause you are the and it's cold as can be. Just get a little bit closer to me, and we'll just let it snow and cuddle under the mistletoe. Yeah, we'll throw another log into the fire. You make the season a whole lot brighter. Yes, you do, 'cause you are the reason. Christmas, baby, 'cause you are the reason. You're the reason I feel this way, to be with you this season. Girl, it makes my holiday. I can't wait. Can't wait till Christmas Day. You know that almost Christmas and